This is a homemade hand sanitizer project which was built using a couple of materials at home, and with few electronics components. The system enables an automatic dispensal of sanitizer fluid. The project can be easily implemented by anyone, as I covered all the process taken while developing this system, and in this video I will guide you on how I developed mine. I started off this project by assembling the electronics components, and be sure I'm not building this project using the Arduino board, as it is entirely based on analog electronics. Unlike some of the projects which I have developed, ranging from the power monitoring system and many more assemblies which I have them built using the Arduino Uno board, and ultimately have the design information made available to all subscribers. And if you are not a subscriber yet, be sure to click the subscribe button and also the notification button in order to get personally notified when I make upload on the next project. I started fitting the components on the PEV board, as I will be soldering them together using this circuit diagram. The infrared transmitter and the receiver were soldered in place alongside with the resistors. Completing this first part, I powered the circuit using my lab-based power supply, and as I tested the sensor part of the project, the result was amazing. One has to bring his hand close to the sensor in order to get the system triggered. Connecting the pump on the PEV board, I have it work out just fine as expected. You could observe the system draws up to 1 amp maximum at full operation, and as such I recommend you use a 9V power adapter with a current rating of 2 amps. These are the coupling parts that I will be using for the casing. I measured the necessary dimensions of the pump and I drilled through to suit the size. I connected the pipe to a suitable point on the system. As I can confirm all my measurements, I applied the spray paint on the plastic used, as I have them now looking just like this. For the final packaging, I carefully started installing the electronics and having the wires properly placed. I used hot glue on all the joints, which made it assuring of its firmness. Other processes that I carried out is evidently shown on the video. After the whole process, I have the assembly looking just like this. I use water as my fluid, and powering the system, I have it up and running. The mistake I made was this: I didn't consider the output nozzle position in the dimensions I measured, and as such, I have the fluid pour on the surface of the device, so take note of this while building yours. It's so cool to have this system work out just fine as expected, and if you wish to see more of my upcoming projects, then be sure to subscribe to my channel in order to get notified when I make upload on them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next project. Do have a blissful day.